I am so excited to be back on YouTube. It has been an entire month since I posted my last video, but I promise I have a great excuse. I actually put in an offer for a home. So I am changing my account from home down payment to home maintenance. So come with me for the month of February 2023 as I do a $500 transfer from my Varo account to my Capital One 360. Hello everyone, I'm Kimberly. If you are a subscriber, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I hope that you find this content helpful, and I would love for you to drop a key emoji in the comments to let me know that you are new to the channel. On this channel, we talk about ways to unlock your financial freedom by incorporating planning, productivity, and personal finance into your daily routine to level up your life so that you can live a life that you deserve. Hey guys, this is going to be short and sweet, but I'm back for another Transfer Tuesday, but this time it is not for a down payment for a home. So as you can see, I have edited the name of my account. It is now Home Maintenance. And don't worry, you guys, I will tell you all about my journey to purchase my first home. But for the month of February, we're going to be transferring $500 into my home maintenance account. Now, I'm still in the process of buying, so this amount is going to be lowered very soon. But for right now, it's at $9,067.30. So let's go ahead and view account. We're going to select transfer money. And we are transferring from my main account, which is my Varo account, which by the way is earning 5% interest, you guys. Yes, my savings account for Varo is earning 5% interest right now. And I'm going to transfer to home maintenance, no longer home down payment. And this is a one-time transfer in the amount of $500 this month. Now, this amount is probably going to change for the month of March, but right now we're going to do $500. So let's go ahead and double check. From transfer to one time. All right, perfect. So we're going to select transfer. All right, so my first home maintenance transfer is successful. So this account is now going to be for any upgrades that I want to make to the home, for any extra purchases. Maybe I want to do a fence in the backyard or whatever. That's what the home maintenance fund is going to be for. And as you can see, it still says home goal savings over here because they have not quite updated it, but it does say home maintenance here. Let's go scroll down real quick and let me show you what my last interest was. December the 31st, $28.09 was my interest. And notice that I did have a transfer out in the month of January, $575. You guys, this was for my home appraisal. Yes, my home appraisal cost $575. So again, I will do a video all about my journey once I am finished on my journey. But for now, this concludes the video for my Transfer Tuesday. I will see you all next month. Thanks for watching.